it was something we desperately needed. And a fast turnaround was like God's miracle.
The tub.
My husband getting in the tub without falling.
The tub was higher than my knees. So standing up next to it, the tub was up here. I had to lift and put my knee on the tub and try to spin around and get the other leg over. I've had hip replacement both legs.
Oh, wow.
And the hips don't work right. So trying to get into that tub was miserable.
And he couldn't do it if I wasn't home. And I mean, that took away his independence.
And there was times she was in the hospital for a week, 2 weeks. I mean, I can't shower. I just got a sponge bath. And the grab bars are great for getting up.
Oh yeah. Grab bars.
I use the chair here. In there, there's no lift, so I get the grab bar and it just pulls me right up off the chair. I like that.
That's great. How do you like the bench?
I love it.
Yeah.
How do you like it?
You can sit and relax.
Yeah.
Don't
I
have
know
to-
he's safe.
Don't have to stand all the time, which I have trouble with my legs.
We did want it done as soon as possible because he couldn't shower unless I was home. And so because we needed to have someone in the house because the tub was too high for him to get his leg over.
Now, when I called, they told me about a week they'd send somebody over to let me know just what needs to be done. And it was only a couple of days before, I called on a Thursday, something like that, or a Friday. Monday they were here, telling me all about and what it's gonna cost. And I told them, I said, we gotta go for it because I can't climb over the tub. So they said, okay, so it's usually a week to 2 weeks. In times they said we can get it in a week if there's an opening. Well, I said, okay, fine, if we have to wait 2 weeks, we have to wait 2 weeks. And then we got a call the next day and they said we can do it Thursday. I said, when Thursday? They said, this week, Thursday. And I said, wow, no, yeah, okay, we're out for it. And that was it. And then, of course, Thursday, the guys show up early in the morning. And 2 guys, I said, you gotta be kidding me. You're gonna do all of this? 2 guys.
One day.
They said, oh yeah, we'll have it done before we go home. I said, you gotta be kidding me. And that's a lot of work there. I mean, to get that tub out, they had to cut it in 3 pieces. I don't know how they got it in there, but 3 pieces to get it out. And these guys finished the whole thing and it's gorgeous. Oh, we love it. The whole shower, I love it. Just love it.
Yep. But they worked as a team. Would you recommend them?
Yes, I would recommend them to anyone.
And if people need it fast and they would like a one-day install, the quality was not jeopardized by the one day and very quick turnover on this.
And they were very friendly people.
Yeah.
Thank you.
If anybody asked me for one who did the bathroom, of course I tell them right away, Yankee Home. And I would tell them, call them, get a price. They're excellent workers. They do a great job. Look at the bathroom.
Yeah, come and see.
Go downstairs, look at the plumbing. I mean, I got pictures of what the plumbing looked like before. I don't have pictures yet of what it looks like now, but I will have. A big difference. Big. Before, she couldn't take a shower, and then I couldn't go in and take a shower.
It backed up.
The water would come out into the basement.
We couldn't use a washing machine
We
at the
couldn't
same
use the
time.
washing machine if we were planning on taking a shower.
If it rained for 2 days, we couldn't shower and we couldn't do laundry.
So now have you tried running your washer
Oh,
in there?
yes.
And it's fine? Everything's fine?
Everything's
Everything.
perfect.
Oh, well, that's like, it's had a ripple effect. And obviously,
yeah.
if the problem has been truly fixed, so now your house functions the way it was intended
I don't
to.
have to think. Now it's normal. It's a normal life. I'll go downstairs and I'll say, hey, this is so amazing. I'm putting laundry in. I'm going to go up and take a shower. It's fun. They are supposed to be local. No cattywampus. Or cattywampus, whatever. And I figure if you don't do right by your local, then you probably don't deserve to be in business. And I'm a very honest person. If I'm mistreated, I'm not going to shut up about it.
Yeah.
Go local. Go with these people. I'm just absolutely delighted. The workers were amazing, right?
Wonderful, wonderful.
Don't hesitate, because if you don't get a fair deal, then you, for one, you don't have to accept the offer. And two, if you're not happy, I can clearly see that people care. Wasn't happy with just the shower head, and they were healed like within a day to change that shower head, which is absolutely beautiful. I love the shower head. Very similar to what we had. But no, even the people who came were amazing. Amazing workers, kind, understanding. I mean, they deserved a pay raise, clearly. They deserved more money than maybe what they got. But they're the front runners to the business. And they're the people you deal with. And this is the type of people I want to deal with. They were wonderfully amazing. And when my husband can't find anything to complain about,
Fantastic.
and I just came down and, I said, oh, we have to redo the rest of the bathroom now. But it was just like, oh my God, it's beautiful. And I can shower, and you can shower, and we can even take the dog in with us.
Honestly.
We're very happy. The way I see it in my beliefs, God led us to the place that we needed. That He knew this house had so many issues that He knew I couldn't handle one more issue.
Yeah.
So He gave me something beautiful and wonderful.
That's so great to hear.
Thank you, Yankee Home.